Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to start new chapter number 4, parts and wholes, part number 1. My dear students, before starting this chapter, one thing I want to tell you. If you are newer in my channel, please subscribe it. ओके अगर आप मेरी चैनल के ऊपर नए हैं, आप पहली बार हमारा वीडियो देख रहे हैं, कृपया आपसे मैं नम्र अपील कर रहा हूं कि मेरी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, आपके फ्रेंड्स, आपके दोस्त, आपके कलीग्स को मेरा वीडियो पहुंचावे ताकि उनको भी फायदा पहुंचे, उनको भी प्रॉफिट मिले। और आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगता है तो लाइक भी दें और वीडियो को और मेरी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी करें। आप ऐसा करते हैं तो आपका मैं आभार आपको मैं व्यक्त कर रहा हूं, आपका मैं आभारी हूं। Look at this side. If you will open the page number 50, parts and wholes, our flag, you must have seen the flag of our country. Do you know how to draw the flag? You can see this is our flag better, right? So the flag is made up of 3 colors: orange, white and green, and in between the Ashoka Chandra is located, okay, in between the flag. Okay, so what we have to do, draw a rectangle of length 8 centimeter and width 6 centimeter हमको draw करना है, which is 8 centimeter long. It means this is 8 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. It's 8 centimeter long or 6 centimeter width. Okay, divide it into 3 equal parts and complete the flag. Okay, now the top 1/3 of our flag is saffron or orange color. Okay, what is the color of the middle 1/3 of the flag? So here, my dear students, we will move on the second slide so you can understand very better. Okay, so what we have to do here, we will move on the first thing. Here I have drawn one flag, right? Okay, which is how much? 6 centimeter width and 8 centimeter long. I have drawn one flag and I have divided into equal 3 parts. Okay, this is the part number 1, this is part number 2 and this is part number 3. Okay, so there are how many total parts? There are total 3 parts. Okay, there are how many parts total? There are total 3 parts. Okay, clear what I am telling you, beta? So tell me the portion of this orange color, this part 1 orange color, उसका part कितना होगा? तो this color, how many total color? There are total 3 colors. The part 1 is 1/3. In the same way, the white color is also 1/3 and the green color is also 1/3. सपोज आपको एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है इन अवर नेशनल फ्लैग टेल मी द व्हाट पोर्शन विच वी हैव कलर of orange color. So what we will give answer? Sir, in our national flag we will do a orange color of 1/3 portion. Clear? Understood? In the same way the white color is also 1/3 and green color is also 1/3. Clear what I am telling you, beta? Understood? So this is our national flag. Now we will move on the second question. Read this. The top 1/3 of our flag is saffron or orange color. वो मैंने आपको समझा दिया है. What is the color of the middle 1/3 of the flag? What is the color of the middle 1/3 of the third flag? Middle one is white. Okay, and where will you draw the Ashoka Chakra? So this is your question number 2. Okay, where will you draw the Ashoka Chakra? The Ashoka Chakra will be drawn on the middle of white color, which I have drawn here. You can see which I have drawn here. Ashoka Chakra is drawn on the middle of white color in our national flag. Okay, clear? So I have given answer here. See, already I have given answer here in the detail. The color of middle 1/3 of the flag is white, and Ashoka Chakra is drawn at the middle as the center of the flag. Okay, and now the third one. How much of the flag will you color green? The 1/3 of the flag which I have drawn. Is the white color now is less than the 1/3 of the flag? Why? Okay, जो बीच में हमने जो white color हमारे नेशनल फ्लैग में आता है, it is less than 1/3 or not? Okay, तो yes beta. Okay, so the answer is, look at this side. The white color is less than 1/3 because of Ashoka Chakra is drawn. We have drawn here Ashoka Chakra in the middle of white color. Therefore, the size of white color is deducted, is reduced. Therefore, understood what I am telling you, beta? Clear? Now we will move on the third quiz, next question. Okay, this is the same page number 50. Now look at this flag. How much of it is black? Okay, so look at this side. How many total size? How many total flowers of this flag? Look at this side. There are total 1/3. 1. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. So tell me, how many parts of the black color? 1/3. Clear? So I have written answer here. Total number of parts of the flag is equal to 3. Now we see that out of 3 equal parts, only one part of the flag is black. Okay, thus 1/3 of the flag is black. Okay, so answer should be 1/3, which I have written here. Now the green part of the flag can be written as, it is also 1/3. Okay, the answer to same. We can also see that out of 3 parts of the flag, only 1 part is green. Thus, green part of the flag is 1/3 of the flag. The answer is also 1/3. Clear? Now, the third question, is red less than 1/3 of the flag? Why? जो रेड कलर है, it is less than 1/3 or not? Yes, of course. Yes, because white emblem is also present in the red portion of the flag. So here, my dear students, look at this side in the red color. There is a white emblem is also there. Therefore, it is less than 1/3 color. Clear what I am telling you? So, we have discussed this page number 50. Now we will continue also page number 50, the remaining portion. Understood? This is the flag of Myanmar, our neighbor. Okay, our neighbor country beta, Myanmar. Okay, it is our neighbor. This is our friend country, right? यह हमारी बाजू में, हमारे इंडिया के बाजू में ही ये कंट्री आई है. ओके, दिस इज द फ्लैग ऑफ म्यांमार, आवर नेबर. Is blue more than 1/4 of the flag or less? This is the first question. Second question, guess how much of the flag is red? Is it more than 1/2? Is it more than 3/4? Yes or no? There are 2 questions we will discuss here. Clear what I am telling you? So look at this side. I have drawn one flag here. Okay, look at this side. We are going to divide equal parts. ये जो फ्लैग है, जो कलर आपको ब्लू दिख रहा है, इसी टाइप से I am going to do equal parts. Okay, now look at this side. The first part, second, क्योंकि वही कंपैरिजन में मैंने ड्रॉ किया है. जितना ये मेजरमेंट है, इतना ही मेजरमेंट के साथ मैंने ड्रॉ किया है. नाउ पार्ट नंबर 3, पार्ट नंबर 4 एंड रिमेनिंग पार्ट जो बचा हुआ है उसको मैंने ये कलर से किया है. अंडरस्टूड? सो अगेन दिस इज पार्ट नंबर 1, दिस इज पार्ट नंबर 2, this is part number 3 and this is part number 4. Clear what I am telling you beta? Okay, and remaining जो फ्लैग में 1/4 टोटली इक्वली 4 पार्ट्स है, लेकिन आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, यू कैन से ये बचा हुआ पोर्शन है which I have dash. Okay, which I have dashed in this flag. ये 1/4 यानी फुल पार्ट से भी ज्यादा बचा हुआ है. अंडरस्टूड? तो लुक एट दिस साइड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, is blue more than 1/4 of the flag or less? 1/4 से ज्यादा है या छोटा है बेटा? एक्जैक्टली 1/4 है? नहीं, हम ये लेस देन 1/4 से भी कम कलर का है. वाई? क्योंकि ये ज्यादा है, 1/4 से भी कम है, क्योंकि ये बचा हुआ पोर्शन उसमें भी आ सकता है. इस देयरफॉर इट इज लेस देन 1/4 बेटा. दिस कलर, ये कलर आप देख रहे हैं, इट इज लेस देन 1/4. अगर 1/4 एग्जैक्टली होता तो बेटा ये ये कट हो जाता, ये क्या हो जाता, कट हो जाता। अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू बेटा, अगर एग्जैक्टली 1/4 होता सो इट शुड बी कट, अगर यस होता तो, but here is this blue color, it is less than 1/4. Clear? So the answer is no, blue is less than 1/4 of the flag, which I have shown here. Now second question, how much of the flag is red? Is it more than 1/2? Yes. Is it more than 3/4? 3/4, yes. So I have written answer. I think the red color is present is more than 3/4 of the flag. Clear what I am telling you, beta? So this type of all the questions you have to copy in your CW book. Clear what I am telling you? Understood? Now beta, one question, one activity, I am giving you homework. You have to find out all you have to find out as many, collect as many flags as you can. You can collect Pakistan flag, Zimbabwe flag, America flag, UK flag. You can find out number of countries flags, and then what you have to do, you have to find out how many flags have 3 colors, are all the color part equal in these flags or not. So this activity you have to do by yourself. Clear what I am telling you, beta? So I have shown here Myanmar flag, our Indian flag. Okay, clear? These two flags I have discussed in this chapter. Clear what I am telling you, beta? Okay. Now thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Go ahead.